In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Mailchimp audience ID. This quick walkthrough will help you grab the exact identifier you need for integrations, custom forms, and API-based tools that need to know which audience to use inside your Mailchimp account. First, open your Mailchimp account and sign in so you're on the main dashboard. Give the page a moment to load so all of your menus are available. If you manage more than one brand or workspace, make sure you're in the correct account before you continue, because each audience has its own unique ID. Next, look to the main navigation and click Audience. This is where Mailchimp groups your contacts, sign-up sources, and audience settings. If you don't see Audience right away, it may be tucked under a menu icon or along the left side of your screen, depending on your layout. Once you're in the Audience area, click All Contacts. This confirms you're viewing the list of people associated with the audience you want. If you have multiple audiences, double-check the name shown at the top so you're working with the right one. Now, find Settings. In some versions of the interface, this appears as a settings link. In others, you might see a small drop-down next to your audience name, often labeled something like Audience Name with a caret. Either option will take you to the same configuration area. From there, click Audience Name and Defaults. This page houses the core details for your audience, including the public-facing name, default email settings, and behind-the-scenes identifiers. Scroll down the page until you reach the section that shows Audience ID. It may also be referred to as a list ID in older references, but in the current interface it will appear as Audience ID. It's usually displayed as a short string of letters and numbers. When you see it, copy the audience ID. You can highlight it with your cursor and use your standard copy command. This is the exact value you'll paste into any integration or API configuration that asks for your Mailchimp audience ID. If you manage several audiences, consider labeling each ID in your internal documentation so you don't mix them up later. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you can't access the settings area, you may need a higher permission level in your Mailchimp account. Also, if the interface looks different, try switching to a desktop browser or clearing your cache to reveal the latest layout. And remember, this ID is specific to the selected audience, so repeat these steps if you need IDs for others. That's it. Your Mailchimp audience ID is now ready to use.